Today marks 2 weeks since 16 children were removed from a Vinton County home. 4 adults are charged with child endangerment, including Gary Siders Sr., Gary Siders Jr., Christina Siders, and Elizabeth Siders. We've been following this story since day one, when Attorney General Andy Wilson and other investigators described the conditions inside the home as deplorable.
Here is some of what they said 2 weeks ago about it.
This is pure evil.
Most of our livestock was kept in better conditions than the children.
Those comments are now under scrutiny in court and have led to a gag order in this case.
10 TV's Carla Rogner joins us in studio now. And Carla, what will this mean for the case going forward?
Yeah, the attorney for Gary Siders Jr., he's the father of those children, asked the judge for this gag order, saying that public comments from authorities could influence public opinion and jeopardize the family members' right to a fair trial. The judge agreed, and now attorneys, law enforcement, and others are prohibited from making public statements about this case.
This is pure evil. What we saw down here today is pure evil.
That is one of the comments made by Attorney General Andy Wilson that triggered this gag order. Arlie Roberts, who's representing Gary Siders Jr., wrote in his motion that the comments made by authorities could impact Siders' right to a fair trial. He wrote the descriptions of the children that have been issued by the public officials involved in this case seek to do nothing other than inflame the heart and passion of the potential jurors. We have previously heard similar concerns from the attorneys representing Elizabeth and Gary Sr.
You have sort of the state apparatus attempting to, in some ways, try this case in the court of public opinion, using hyperbolic and extreme language to describe this without, again, allowing us to even have an opportunity to view any of the evidence ahead of time.
The judge approved this gag order, agreeing that public comments could impact the ability to find an impartial jury. With this gag order in place, prosecutors, law enforcement, court officials, and defense attorneys will have to stay quiet. And I did briefly talk to the prosecutor yesterday. He said we can expect an update on the grand jury indictments for the Siders family members within a few weeks. Back to you.